Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. As we all know that DXY is in downtrend for the last couple of days, but DXY recovered here. Okay, DXY recovered, and we can see that DXY is giving its best fight to go up to recover further. But DXY is facing trouble around 105.50 level, which was previously the support for the market and right now acting as the new resistance here. After struggling for many hours, DXY showed some correction, and right now we can see that DXY is ready to fight again. Again, it is heading towards 105.50 level. So this level will be very important because the fight is still going on. And yes, more or less we have a head and shoulder pattern also forming up, but the formation is not complete yet. But today we will have to observe how DXY fights in this zone. If it succeeds in breaking the level 105.50 level, then it will be heading towards the next resistance of 107 to 107.20. So DXY's next move will be very important for us. Now let's have a look at a chart of GBP USD pound dollar. So the structure of the chart of GBP USD is very much similar to the chart of Euro USD, because we can see that both are forming higher highs and higher lows here. So basically the structure of the chart is very much bullish. So as a result, so buy at support or buy at dip is the best strategy, okay, considering the present structure of the market and the trend of the market. But we should not forget that we have a resistance zone around 1.2380 to 1.2400 that we have seen in our previous videos. So if you are looking for detailed analysis, then my dear friends, please watch the video that I uploaded yesterday or day before yesterday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So market bounce on a 50 moving average. The 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic support here, and this time we can see that instead of crossing the previous high, market has formed a small high, okay, lower high here, okay, lower high, and market is coming down again. So this time expecting the market to bounce from the 50 moving average can be a risky. So if possible, try to observe the market around the trend line here. The trend line means 1.2125, around 1.2125, around 1 point, sorry, 2125. Observe the market. If you see market taking support around this level and bouncing, you can consider taking a buy position. But my dear friends, be careful, because already we can see that market is formed a lower high. So as a result, high chance of market breaking the trend line and going down. And if market breaks the trend line, don't be surprised, because the slowly the buyers are losing their strength in the market right now. And in case DXY successfully breaks the 105.5 level, then obviously we will see a big red candle here. So the next important support for GBP USD is 1.2060, 1.2030 level. So to be honest, it is a better level to take a buy position than the trend line right now. So if market comes down to this particular level here, observe the market and see. Looking at the present scenario, there is a good amount of chance that market will break support and market will bounce. If market bounces according to our expectation, you can definitely go for a buy position around 1.2060, 1.2030 level. But keep in mind that as the structure of the market is bullish, so as a result, if market breaks also this particular support here, try to avoid taking any sell position, because you will be standing against the trend of the market. Sometimes we see market counts for stop loss hunting. Okay, after hunting down stop losses, market goes up again. So to save yourself from this kind of trap, do not take any sell position if you see market breaking the support as well. Just wait and watch. So overall, if you look at the market, then there is not much activity going on. Market is more or less slow and dull. So in this present scenario, when we do not have much volatility in the market, you can definitely expect the market to take support in this zone. But I'm not very much sure about the trend line, because that have been acting as a dynamic support for the last couple of days. The resistance is still around 1.2380, 1.240, so the big one, okay, the big resistance. But I don't think so market will be heading towards the resistance for today, as we do not have any big news also. Mostly the market is waiting for a news that is coming up next week, the Fed's meeting and the inflation. Okay, that will bring some disco moves to the market. Okay, whatever do, follow proper risk management. My analysis can be wrong as well. Sorry, I could not share much levels because the condition of the market is like this only. Because most of the time, okay, not most of the time, all the time, before taking a position, you need to consider the risk to reward ratio as well. Okay, so enjoy the pre-Christmas holiday market is giving us. Okay, bye bye, take care, and do not do follow proper risk management, do not gamble. Okay, bye bye, take care.